Do you know many people are having trouble with their Frigidaire humidifier shutting off with an FO error? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this.
Let's start.
Step 1. Ensure flat surface. Make sure the unit is on a flat surface and at room temperature before turning it on. Step 2. Reset float switch. If the BUCKETFULL light is on, remove the bucket and reinstall it to reset the float switch. Step 3. Lock buttons. Hold the plus and buttons for 3 seconds to lock the buttons. Repeat to unlock them. Step 4. Run continuously. Press the power button and let the unit run in continuous high fan speed mode initially. Step 5. Set humidity level. Set your desired humidity level using the HUMIDITY buttons ranging from 35% to 85%. Step 6. Adjust fan speed. Adjust the fan speed using the FANSPEAD button for faster moisture removal. Now you should be able to prevent your Frigidaire FFAD7033R1 humidifier from shutting off with the FO error. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Frigidaire users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.